Hello friends, myself Sadan Thakur. Today we learn standard 11th English medium chemistry chapter number 2. Next topic is charge to mass ratio of electron. In previous lecture we have to discuss about discovery of electron in Michael Faraday experiment. Now according to Michael Faraday experiment, and new experiment, new scientist started. Scientist name is J.J. Thomson. J.J. Thomson started his experiment by using postulate or a point use of discovery of electron. In discovery of electron, Michael Faraday said at one point when electrons travel straight line, but in magnetic field or electric field, apply this tube. So magnetic and electric field apply when the ray, it means cathode ray, deviated. So using this concept and take more experiments through same, take cathode ray tube but in a different way. So cathode ray tube, new form, and first part is small and next part is take big. So same apply, take two rods, one is cathode, another is anode. Now this cathode and anode connected with high voltage battery. This part is negative part, this part is positive part. So take cathode, anode using vacuum pump to create low pressure and battery created high pressure. Now ray is travel straight line but use concept 2. It means created two poles, means two electric plate. Why should you use magnetic or electric plate? Because created electric field. Using which concept? Michael Faraday statement that this ray travel straight line, but in a electrical or a magnetic field, this ray is deviated. So first put electric field, created electric field using two plates. These two plates, one is positive plates and another is negative plates. And this plate is connected with battery. This plate is connected with battery. So this part is negative part, this part is positive because anode positive part. So all this type of plate, metallic plate, contain positive energy, positive charge, and this rod connected with negative. So negative plate is, and then this plate is connected negative. So is negative charges plate. Now applying electric current passes. Same experiment start. So start this experiment. Electric, it means cathode ray is travel straight line, but here which electric field? Electric field means electric field means this path is not straight, now is deviated. So he observed that this ray is deviated from point A, and this is which part? Positive charges plate. Positive charges electric field with deviation on a side of positive charge. And now after this deviated, similar, when using this electric concept, means electric field, this deviated on a positive magnetic plate. Now further experiment created magnetic field by magnet. So using Hooke's Horseshoe magnet use horseshoe magnet to create a magnetic field. So this magnetic field, north part and south part. So after using magnetic field, this is a straight line. After magnetic field is deviated, so deviated on a point C. It means this concept using is right to given Michael Faraday when the cathode ray tube or ray is put in a electric or magnetic field, this ray is deviated. So after magnetic field is deviated on a positive part, in similar way here positive parts of magnet. Now applying both plate. So point A, when point we observe metallic plates present, and here magnetic field created by horseshoe magnet present. So point A is created when metallic plate presents. Point C created magnetic field horseshoe magnet created by this magnet. Now applying both, it means magnetic field and electric field both. So the observe that ray travel by straight line. It means both electric field and magnetic field. Electric field created by magnetic field and magnetic field created by horseshoe magnet. So after presence of both field, magnetic and electric, the ray is travel on a straight line. 3 observations when experiment on J.J. Thomson, and after this experiment we say that when an electric ray contain negative charge because is attract on a positive pole, we say that like pole contain repulsion, unlike contain attraction to each other. So this part is attract on a positive plate of electric field. It means this ray contain negative charge. So in this experiment prove that electric contain negative charge and represented that electric has a negative charge and value of this electron is take negative because this contain negative charge. So negative charge represented electric as a, and negative it means negative charge, so minus is not. When the value of electric current is taken in an example, we cannot take minus because it's only represented minus. It means negative charge, not a value is negative but a represented negative charge. And this experiment J.J. Thomson have given ratio of electric divided by charge to mass ratio of electron. It means electron divided by mass of electron. Its value of E divided by me, mass of electron, is equal to 1.75820 into 10 raised to 11. Charge means coulomb and mass means kg or into kg inverse. So value is 1.75820 into 10 raised to 11. This is the value of ratio of electron divided by mass of electron. Now in this, using this ratio, another scientist name is R.A. Millikan. The scientist name is R.A. Millikan. Using take another experiment, and this experiment name is oil drop method. Scientist name is R.A. Millikan. Use this E by M ratio, and the experiment take one experiment, and the experiment name is oil drop method, and using this experiment, take value of electron. So value of charge of electron is equal to minus 1.6 into 10 raised to, this value is a charge of electron 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 coulomb. C is a unit of charge. So he found that charge of electron is equal to, minus is represented negative charge, 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19. And using this concept, both value, one value using J.J. Thomson E divided by ME ratio, and R.A. Millikan concept, charge of electron, using both concept, find the mass of electron. Only mass of electron is equal to E divided by, it means value of Millikan divided by ratio of E divided by ME. So value of E is equal to 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19, and value of E divided by ME ratio given in a J.J. Thomson, 1.75820 into 10 raised to 11. So the answer mass cell for unit is kg, and mass of electron. So after calculation we find the answer 9.1094 into 10 raised to minus 31 kg, value of mass of electron. So in this experiment, in two experiment combined, finally find mass of electron. So textbook here, in textbook given figure, so draw this figure in place of textbook given figure and understand easily then given textbook figure. So notebook, write down all point in notebook and prepare this theorem.